Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this. It is the 42-inch Lasko oscillating fan. This thing is ultra powerful. It has so many different modes and a remote control to where you can do it all from the seat of your couch or from your bed. Have this across the room. So stick around. We're gonna have an up-close portion of the video where I'm gonna give you all the product details, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, first, folks, let's go ahead and point out the smart design. Now, I like that they've got an easy-to-use remote. You can turn on and off the power, change the speed, oscillation, the timer, and the night setting. Now, it's a really good-looking device, and it also has all those same controls right on the top of it. So I can turn it on and off. I can turn it on night mode by turning off all the lights. I can adjust the oscillation, the timer, and the fan speed. All right, let's go ahead and take another look at it. Another nice aspect to this is that it's going to move a lot of air without a ton of noise. That's the very cool cylinder design is going to keep from chopping the air like a traditional older fan. So you're getting a lot of air movement without all that noise.